this is Jose from AGT. Today we have a warranty claim. They need a replacement motor. This is going to be a Briggs & Stratton Vanguard, and unfortunately we don't have one, so we're taking the Vanguard motor out of this brand new unit. What we're going to do here is we remove the muffler assembly, and we disconnected the hydraulic pump. Here we didn't have to disconnect any of the hydraulic hoses, just simply unmounted the pump, disconnected the electrical and the fuel. We'll drain the oil before we pull it out. There's 3 retention bolts on the plate down below. We remove those and we'll just slide it out the back.